Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be building raised garden beds in our front yard. These raised beds are going to be multi-purpose. One is it's going to grow more vegetables without problems and to solve a bigger problem with voles. For building these raised beds, we are going to be using the Swiss Railway pallets. They are called the SBB pallets, and this is widely used and multi-purposed for many things. In the garden center, you can order these ready fixed raised beds. You can also build these beds yourself, but we chose to buy this in a garden center already fixed, so we had to tweak a little bit to make it not touch the ground, and that is what we are doing. If you have ever had problems with voles invading your garden, which is what was happening in our case, it is really very frustrating. For the past 3 to 4 years, we hardly had any harvest, and most of our trees were also eaten up with the roots by these voles. These little critters tunnel underground, eating all the roots, bulbs, and anything they can find. The solution would be to have an owl in our garden, but it is next to impossible to give a habitat for the owl in a very busy road. So we are switching to raised beds, at least for now, in the front yard, because this is a big project and it's also an expensive project, mainly because we had to invest a lot, not just for the beds but also for the wire mesh and then this barrier to avoid these raised beds getting really wet, and this way you can make it last a little bit longer. We are using this existing garden parts to raise these beds a little bit so it's not touching completely into the ground. You will see how we are going to be doing this whole process. These raised beds are not only going to be protecting our crops but also to make our gardening a lot more easier. We can also have better control of soil. We don't need to be bending over so much. We are getting on with our age, and it's also easier to maintain. The only downside is it's a big investment, but hopefully it pays off. After raising these beds with the help of these stone slabs, we are going to be lining it with wire mesh and then with this biodegradable plastic kind of barrier. The key is to keep them completely out and not get into the soil. So that is what we are aiming to achieve in this case, and hopefully I can soon start sharing with you what we are going to be planting over here. My husband started this project in end of November. I was still in India. I was away for about almost 3.5 months, and by the time we could finish this project, it was the 31st of December. And at the end of it, we did put in some branches to cover the soil so that no cat gets into it. We need to fill a lot more soil into it before we start planting. Stick with me till the end of this video to see how we are going to be doing this process.
Like this. Okay, then it's leveled. So this four. You know why we do this reason? If the wood doesn't touch prominently the soil or it doesn't stay wet, it lasts much longer. The whole frame, make it sit stable, everything. I start cleaning up the inside. This is all frozen. This is compost.
Yeah, let me too.
sure no mouse gets in. Sure that there's no gap. Just got the comfort. What I do next is I throw some dirt that will fix it. Then I cut off.
If you have been following us around in our gardening videos, you would have seen in the past couple of years we had tried so many different methods, but it seems none of them worked. And this is our last hope to grow something, and I hope these raised beds will solve the problem and we can have a better harvest. Thank you for watching and sticking around till the end of this video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.